have to find our son.
Mother, they know that we know.
Welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Wabbit from Wabbitshot, and today is Trending Tech Monday. Every Mondays I bring you the trending news on tech, travel, photography, science, all the stuff Wabbit does. So anyway, before I get into the trending tech today, which is going to blow your brains out, just what? Yeah, mom calling.
Oh God. Please don't kill me.
Okay, I'm back, guys. Mothers. Today's trending news is gonna blow your minds out. Like, trust me, if I say it's gonna blow your minds out, it's gonna blow your minds out. So without much ado, let's just dive. Let's just. So yeah, the first news is Area 51. Area 51. I know y'all guys out there asking me, what's Area 51? What's this guy talking about? So there's this funny news. Let me just get the news out here. It's funny news. So thanks to Trend News for this good. Before I even start talking about Area 51, for those who don't know what Area 51 case is about, there is this restricted area called Area 51 by the American military. So it's a military base, right? And like it's, I don't know, hidden or restricted from any civilian or any other person. Anyway, what's the thing? Something. So yeah, so there's this crazy hula baloo about Area 51 on Facebook, and there was this petition going on. If they get about 1 million people to sign the petition, they'll all march, as in people, I don't know who they are, like Americans, people just all march to the area where the military base is, or move there, and I don't know what they're going to do. Find out what's happening there or break down the place. But initially, most guys think there's this alien evidence.
State on an origin? Okay, yesterday you told us you traveled, and I quote, thousands of light years to get here. Tell us.
Spooky, right? So people believe they are keeping alien stuff, alien evidence, alien species, alien, I don't know, alien content, alien machines, what it is. So yeah, this is what I found online from newsfeed saying 13 facts about the top secret Area 51 military base. Area 51 has been all over the news this week thanks to the viral Facebook events where over 1 million internet trolls and curiosity seekers have promised to invade the mysterious government compound. How much do you know about Area 51? Below are some interesting facts about the infamous site. 1. The name. The name is less original than you would expect. Area 51 got its name because it was the 51st area of the Atomic Energy Commission Nevada Proving Grounds, AECNPG, blah blah blah, not interesting. Nuclear weapon facility or something. Nuclear weapon facility. It has been reported that the site has been used for nuclear weapons testing on hundreds of locations and is a part of the Nevada National Security Site. The Roswell connection. The legendary UFO crash in Roswell, New Mexico in 1947 was later explained by the US government as a weather balloon crash. However, whatever did crash on the ground that night was quickly recovered and transported to Area 51. The third point is what I'm really intrigued about. UFO. For those who don't know what UFO means, is unidentified flying object, aka alien flying machine. So people were storming there or want to storm there to find out if there are aliens actually there, or there's evidence about aliens visiting Earth.
Dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita.
And the only place people think the Americans are hiding this information is at Area 51. Americans, everybody. Facebook. So a lot of information, like a lot of people are just creating funny stories and trolls and memes and things on to Facebook about this Area 51. So I decided to let you guys know what's happening in Area 51. I'm ready, getting my boots on. Get my stuff. We're going to Area 51. So yep. So enough of scary stuff. Or still in more scary stuff. For those who like horror movies like moi, have you watched this movie, The Conjuring? The Conjuring. That's like one of the creepiest
It's 9:18. We're
movies.
headed
It's really
down
scary,
into the cellar
man.
where the doors just opened
I'm
on
telling
its
you,
own.
man, there.
Give us a
It's
sign
very
if
scary.
you want to communicate
So,
with us.
like, I don't really get people, not me. When you go by the house, the Conjuring house, the Conjure. Just Google it. Just Google Conjuring. You get what I mean? It's a creepy ass house, and this couples are saying there are strange things happening in their house. Why would you even in the first place go and buy that house? What is wrong with you guys? Going nuts? Why are you even going to buy that house in the first place? Now, yeah, strange things definitely gonna happen. So the story says the 2013 horror movie The Conjuring is actually based on a real house at Rhode Island. A couple recently purchased the house. I still don't get it. People are crazy. Okay, the man is called Corey Heisen and his wife Jennifer. His wife's called Jennifer. I have not much to say. So his wife says that, or he and his wife says that they instantly fell in love with the home and thought that it was their dream house. We immediately fell in love with it. 8.5 acres, a river in the back, and a pond. It's so serene down there. Never mind the story behind the house. It's a beautiful home. I don't know what is happening. Oh my goodness. The couple knew exactly what they were getting into when purchasing a house. the house. It is very well known that this is a notorious location that the movie is based on. The plot of the movie is taken from the true story of a family that once lived in the house. So yeah, just to cut the whole story short, Conjuring is a house that's haunted. This trending news is about Huawei. Actually, Huawei has been in the news for two reasons. One, the operating system, and two, they laying off workers in their US company or US office. So I don't really know much about why they're laying off workers, but all I know is, you know, the issue with Huawei in America. So probably there's a reason behind it. But anyway, I'm not going to talk much about OS. Okay, I'm not going to talk much about it though. But that means you're going to stay tuned on Wednesday when I'm bringing you my trending tech news on Wednesday. That's what we're talking about. We're talking about Arc OS, talking about that's a Huawei OS. All you need to know about it on Wednesday, and why Huawei is laying off workers. So guys, thank you for staying tuned and listening to me talk about crazy trending news. I know it's not your usual news you wanted to hear, weird stuff. But anyway, thank you for staying tuned to Wabbitshot channel. It's your boy Wabbit, and I got your back the tech way. Don't forget to subscribe, like, yeah, just do what you like. Just do it. She can share my video if you want to. Just help me out. Yeah, and I'll see you tomorrow. Wait, a vlog. It's your boy Wabbit, and I'm out. Rock on. No, and I'm out. Peace, peace. Double rock on.